Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today with a new scholarship video, and this video is about Lithuania University, Kaunas University of Technology. And don't skip this video if you wanna move to Lithuania. And Lithuania visa ratio is almost plus 90%, and you can easily move toward Europe with this track. So Lithuania University, Kaunas University of Technology announced scholarship for bachelor, master, and a doctoral students, and you don't need to pay any kind of application fee, and there is no need of IELTS if your last degree is in English medium, and you will complete their requirement about the English language. Let's move toward these scholarships are for international students. You can see the main page of the university KTU, Kaunas University of Technology, and here you can look at that. It's about a bachelor, master, and a doctoral students. Let's move toward that. I will provide you a little information about our degree program and what they need for a bachelor and a master. They mention about a lot of programs here: faculty of chemical technology, civil engineering, electrical, information, mechanical design, science and arts, school, economics and business. Almost all field they included in this program, like a art students, science related students, information technology related students, humanities related students, all can apply in this college. Just click on scholarship and they will show you a little bit information before that. Kaunas University of Technology offer a partial tuition fee waiver for candidates with the outstanding result depending on their chosen program. They mention about a partial, but they offer partial and full funded scholarship because the first part I choose for a bachelor student. So they mention that these scholarships are open to all international. If your documentation are good and you are good in your academic field, you have to provide them a strong academic record and motivation, then you will be eligible for a full funded scholarship here. And further, if you have any kind of question, you can just come up here, that how long does it take, what is the minimum CGPA, how when I can apply for TRP, how can I get a scholarship. Just you can just click on this one and they will give you all of the information. If you look at here, Kaunas University of Technology offer free of charge book bachelor or master study for the candidate with the outstanding result. So now I think your a little bit confusion about a partial and a full funded is clear. Like, Kaunas University of Technology offer free of charge bachelor master studies for candidate with outstanding result. If your are outstanding, you don't need to pay any kind of fee. Strong with the academic record. These scholarships are open to all international, all perspective who submitted their application, and you don't need to provide any kind of separate application to university for a scholarship. If you are selected in the Kaunas University of Technology, you will automatically selected in scholarship criteria. And further, if you need any kind of information, like let's check that about a dormitory, you can reserve a place at a KTU dormitory once you will receive a login data to the university academic system. It means that they will provide you a free a dormitory in the university, or they maybe charge a little bit for for a dormitory. Accommodation is not included tuition fee, therefore it has to be covered at your own cost. Most information on KTU dormitory can be found here. So they mentioned that your accommodation cost is not covered in the tuition waive, but I will give you an other scholarship on the main page, that if you are don't have enough money to pay accommodation, still you have eligible to apply for that accommodation free facilities in KTU. Okay, this one is for bachelor. Let's go move toward a master students. That a master, they have a lot of programs here. You can check it here, or I will show you on the main website where you have to make up your account and submit your application, and they have a possibility there that you can search a different kind of programs. Okay, just click on a scholarship. Let's see that. Okay, Kaunas University Technology offer a full. Now they all, you can see that they mention about the full and partial tuition fee waiver, full or partial tuition fee waiver for candidate with the outstanding. I already mentioned these things, so somebody may be confused. If you didn't watch a full video, sometime during a speaking, I maybe I make some mistake, but You can also check the website for your better understanding. These scholarships are for international students. So if you have any kind of, you can check it that the application for full tuition fee waiver closes together with the latest deadline or application like 1 June. Almost the scholarship will be closed at 1st March, or maybe later they will open it again. And if you need another question, if you have anything in your mind, just come on the same page and you can just click on it, and they will show you that. What is TRP? Is a temporary residence permit as soon as a final acceptance letter and mediation letter have been issued from the university, that you can live in Lithuania, and after that you don't need to come back toward your university. It's not a criteria in this university or scholarship. If you have opportunity for a job, you can just move there after graduation. Okay, so this one is a doctor, so you can just come up on this website and you can submit, check out your information. Let's move toward a page. I will attach all of the website link in the description section that you can easily take from and apply there. Okay, so this one is a application portal interface. You can look at here. Just you have to click on sign in and register. If you don't have account, just click on sign in. You have to make up your application and they will send you some kind of email like this one. Just click to register, and after that you can move toward your portal, and after login they will show you this page like this one, find a program. And after that you have to click on my application, or just click on find program. Or if you need more information about scholarship for bachelor's, scholarships for master students, you can just click it here. And the main thing is that if you don't want to look a program on the website, you can just check them on the application portal. For example, if I click on bachelor program, so almost they are offering 25 programs here. So just click find a program. You can see that they will open all of the program which are in English, and they are offering for the last date is the 1st June. Almost all of the program will be end on 1st June, and you can choose any program according to your degree. If you are mechanical, chemical, electrical, and all other programs they mention here like economics and business, and electrical and electronic, civil and chemical technology. For example, if you're gonna apply for a master degree, just click on a master program and just click on a find program, and they will show you all of the program about a master degree. And if you want to apply for a doctoral program, you can just click on and so PhD students can apply only in economics. So they have 19 programs here, but it's for more better that if you can just check out for a doctor degree from the on the website. Or if you want to apply for a short duration program, so there are maybe two only, for a faculty of science, arts and humanities, and civil engineering like that. Okay, so I will choose a master degree. For I will click on a find program and just click on, we choose a first one, apply now. You have already added MSc accounting into your application, because I already added here, so I will just click on edit application. And now you can see that they have almost 7 to 8 pages to fill up your application. The first one I choose MSc. It's a 2 year program. It's in English. It's a Kaunas University of Technology in Lithuania. And first one, you have to click on profile. In a profile you have to provide your given name, family name, your passport date, and your gender, your citizenship and birthday, your country of residence, and if you have any kind of alternative email you can provide them. And here you have to provide them your photo, because later on you have your photo will be used for admission letter or your university card. And your photo size should be 2 MB and JPEG file. And after that, if completing this one, you have to click next, and they will open a contact page. In the contact page I already mentioned my email, my phone numbers here. So street address, you have to provide your country code, postal code, and address line. Address lines are very important. The reason is that later on they have to submit your documentation related to university admission notice. So you have to be more curious about that. If you did not provide a good address, right address, so maybe you will lose them. Next one is education. In the education section, you can look at here, you have to write all of your information about, if you're going to apply for a PhD, you have to provide information for bachelor and master. And if you're going to apply for master, provide they give them information for a bachelor, and for if you're going to apply for a bachelor, just provide them an intermediate. You have to choose the level of information, like primary, secondary, pre, bachelor, master, depends on you, that on which degree you are going to apply, your country where you get that, official name of school, and study language you have to choose. Study language is English, so better that you can see that they mention study language English, so don't need to provide any kind of English proficiency letter. Or if you have any kind of IELTS PTE, still you can apply on this scholarship, and your chances will be increased. And diploma name, diploma number. And after that, if you'd wanna add one more degree here, just click on insert a new block, so they will open up, and you have to provide them all of the information. Just check out the language. If your native language is not here, just you can check here, and you can save them. And next one is employment. Insert, please describe your work related experience. If you have any kind of experience, you can just click on insert block here, employer, company name, and when you started and when it is ended, and type of business, occupation, position, and weekly hours. After completing that one, you have to give information about your activities. If you have any social activities, extracurricular activities in your university, school, colleges, you have to provide them all of the information. Just click on insert here. And after that, residence, again, I will remind you that residence is very important. Just click on here, you choose your country, your purpose of stay, from and to. You have to mention all of the things here. For example, if you belong from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, UK, or any other country, China or Taiwan, you have to mention that why you are staying there. You have to mention all of the information here. And after that, you have to provide a motivation. Motivation is a very important thing in any kind of application related to education, because motivation give them an idea about your analytical thinking, your mental stability, about your future goal. So you have in your motivation letter, you have to mention your background, your research capabilities, your previous history. And then you have why you choosing a KTU, Kaunas University of Technology, and why you are moving to Lithuania. This one, all of the things should be included in the motivation letter, and the word should be from 1500 to 4000. And after that, you have to list it up all of the documents. Your file should be not increase up to 15 MB. So you have to combine all of your document, like your diploma, your transcript, your motivation letter, your study plan, your research proposal, your English proficiency letter, all of the thing, your publication, just combine in PDF form, and you can upload all of the zip file here. So it depends on you. After that is your others. In the other section, you have to provide them a medical information, if you are medically fit or not, additional request, and accommodation. Yes, I want accommodation, you have to click yes. They will provide you accommodation, and if they charge you something, it means that it's a very little amount. And study fair, master portal, information source, you have to where you get the information about the. And further you can read, I request to consider for the partial tuition fee waiver, or full of the waiver. After that, you, because you have to choose a yes is a better, because if you are selected in this university, you automatically will be, if your profile is outstanding, you will automatically be considered for a full funded scholarship. So you can see that I didn't provide any kind of information about these, so you have to provide them all of the information. Like, let's check that what kind of proficiency you have. If your previous study have been fully in English and is marked on your degree certificate noted in confirmation from the school, which confirmed that your studies have been fully in English, your test may not be required. And now I'm zooming out. If somebody have a question, if you have these kind of tests, you can provide them. If your last degree is in English and it is written on your transcript and your diploma, and you have to write English proficiency proficiency letter, and the university email or college email should be mentioned on your proficiency letter. And then university will confirm by a school or university that last degree is in English. Then you didn't need any kind of English proficiency score here. Okay, so if somebody have a issue, they can just look at this one. And after completing all of the information, you have to click on submit. So your application is complete. Further, all of the information, any kind of information, you can just come up here. About the documentation, you can check all of the information about a bachelor, master and doctor. If further question, you can just click on that one. Just they will show you that all of the information about the documentation, scholarship, dormitory, visa, all of the things here. So share this video if you want to move in a Europe in 2026 without any kind of link with the agent, because agent charge you almost 4 to 5 6 lakhs, and further you have to make up a lot of bank statement. So this one is easy if you have a good documents. So share this video with all of your friends, with your education circle, so that people apply on it and get ready to change their life. So remember me in your prayers. Until the next video, Allah Hafiz.